Hey everyone, it's Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. I've got a beautiful day and an awesome video for you. If you're thinking of getting in the RV lifestyle or maybe in the towable world and looking to upgrade, I've got a motorhome that needs to be on your shopping list for affordability, capabilities, and versatility. Let's go take a look. All right, gang, outside of the Thor 4 Winds motorhome, the Class C. If you're already an RVer, then you know what I mean when we get into this, but if you're new to RVing, listen up. What I love about motorhomes and all my travels and with my kids when we grew up, or when they grew up camping, was the capabilities. A motorhome is self-contained, giving you the capability to do whatever, whenever, and go wherever. So what does that mean? I have water on board. I have wastewater capacities that I can collect the dirty water, and I have a generator on board. So you've heard the term, do Walmart camping? Absolutely. If you're going from point A to point B and you're not gonna make it, or maybe perhaps you're just tired from driving, pull over to Rest Stop, pull over to Walmart, pull over anywhere you want to do, even if it's just for lunch, you have full capabilities just as if it was at your house. What do you think? I love having a motorhome at my disposal. Inside a motorhome, what I love about a motorhome is self-contained. And what does that mean? I have kitchen, living, and bath. In a Class C motorhome in this 4 Winds, we have a full kitchen that you'll be able to dine in, dine out wherever you go, even if it's just a parking lot. I've got the refrigerator to keep all my goodies cold and fresh and ready to roll when I'm meal prepping. Living, I have seats usually, I have booths, but here I've got sleeping capacities, and with all the motorhomes, they come in a variety of floor plans. So sometimes it might just be a double bed, may all the way be up to a king bed, sleep 2, maybe even sleep 10. In future videos, you're gonna see some different floor plans. And last but not least, you have a full bathroom capabilities with a motorhome. I have sink, toilet, and shower. And again, I have a wastewater capacity to be able to collect all that dirty water when I'm on the road until I get a dump site. Again, the capabilities of a Class C motorhome is phenomenal and gives me the luxury and the ability to go wherever, whenever. So the versatility of a motorhome was going to give you a lot, but the versatility of the Thor 4 Winds lineup is phenomenal. I've been doing this a long time, and they have a plethora of floor plans. As you can see, it's 2 pages of different floor plans that go anywhere from 22 foot to 31 foot. So once you get inside of these, and that's critical, and I highly, highly advise you to go look at them in person. Once you get into them, you have 22, 25, 28, 31 foot floor plans that are going to show the best features for how you're going to camp or how you're going to travel. So the versatility of not only having the different lengths, beyond that, we also have the versatility of slides. You may not want slide outs. You may just be able to just want to have that factor of just pulling into a parking spot. They've got quite a few floor plans that don't come with slides, so you don't even have to worry about that routine maintenance. Or maybe you want a couple slides. You get into the 31 foot that have floor plans that have 2 slides, especially if you've got a lot of critters that are coming with you and you just need some floor space. So again, the Thor 4 Winds model lineup has a tremendous amount of versatility and choices with depending on how you plan on RVing. Sitting in the driver's seat of the Thor 4 Winds, the model lineup for this is affordable. And if you're thinking about getting them into motorhoming, or maybe you already have one and trying to get something that's maybe perhaps a little more streamlined for your budget, again, you gotta check out the 4 Winds model lineup. They have a vast array of different floor plans, but the affordability and the functionality of this motorhome is gonna give you everything without the big price tag of the Class A's. Now with the Class C's, obviously it looks more like a van, so there's a little bit of a structure there that helps Thor keep the price tag down for you to make it affordable. Beyond that, I also love the fact that a lot of the floor plans they offer have a Ford or a Chevy option. So if you're one of those guys or gals that just are a badge wearing type of person, whether you're Ford or Chevy, I've got an answer for you. But both can be bought affordably and be able to be out camping and not RV poor. So again, the Thor 4 Winds affordability is phenomenal. It needs to be on your shopping list. All right, make sure you stay tuned for future videos. We're gonna cover all these floor plans of the Thor 4 Winds model lineup. The versatility, the capability, and affordability. Would you agree? Give us a like. And don't forget to comment below on any questions or things that you need answered, and smash that subscribe button. Show us some love, everybody. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.